Hello, this is me again for this fourth video for February 2nd, 2023. And they still hear a little bit like they're fixing dirt or something like that. They probably fixing like a hole. Yep. And right now it's about 2:39 in the afternoon. This is not much action like it was earlier of these past 4 weeks. I don't know when they're gonna bring the gold carts here, but it might take time to set everything up. They've been doing this for about 4 weeks and about how many days? Let me see. They've been doing it for specifically about 29 days, specifically about 31. Probably a guy's waiting. So I hope you enjoyed this little short video of this update of February 2nd, 2023. We'll see you again maybe next time when I give you some updates. Until then, enjoy the videos. Bye.